Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I created this absolutely no makeup look, then keep on watching and let's get started. So currently I have literally nothing on my face. I'll start by moisturizing my skin well. So I'm using the Pond's Light Moisturizer, which is oil free. I still feel it's like थोड़ा सा sticky, but then it's okay. थोड़ा ही बचा है, खत्म कर लेते हैं. So now I'll quickly go and wash my hands and then wear lenses because lens पहनने के बाद at times पानी आता है and if अगर मैं कोई और product पहले ही apply कर लूँगी तो वो move हो जाएगा. So I'll quickly go and wash my hands and then wear lenses.
I told you guys, so I'll wait for 5 minutes so that all this gets quite normal and then I'll start with the rest of the process.
Now that this feels a little normal, I'll go ahead with a poreless primer which is by Maybelline Fit Me. So next I'll go ahead with a BB cream which is by Garnier. I'm using this for the very first time. Although I feel it's quite in yellow undertone and my skin is neutral undertone, so it should go, but then I also feel the shade is a little darker, but then they only have one shade and I've heard really good reviews about it, so I thought let's try this. So people said that it's better to dab it with a sponge instead of just rubbing into your skin, so I'll try it. ये तो गायब ही हो गया. I can hardly see any difference. Still, let's just dab it. So this sponge is new. I have just opened it, so I'm not sure it's because of the sponge or it's the cream. I can see a little bit of a finish on my face, like a slightly enhanced glow and not just the actual skin. That's nice. So this is how my skin looks right now. I definitely feel the product has given me some sort of shine and a beautiful texture to my skin. Although I feel the sponge was not really good because I can see a lot of product absorbed here. So if I could have used some other sponge like a good blender, then this would have been a much better finish. But it's quite nice. Although this cannot beat the one which Clinique has. The BB cream by Clinique is so damn good, but it's too expensive, so I'm on a search to find a good alternative for it. So if you know one, let me know, but the Garnier one was definitely not the one. Now you can go ahead with a concealer wherever you feel the pigmentation or unevenness on your skin. For my case, it's the under eye and the eye area, but I don't personally like applying concealers or anything, so I'll skip that part. I like it as it is. So now I'll go ahead with a blush. I'll use a liquid blush because in winters it's important to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized all the time. So I'm going ahead with this Maybelline Baby Lips. This shade on lips look so bad. I have this from 2 years. Hopefully this is not expired, but now I have started using as a blush, and as a blush it looks really good. So to apply the blush, we'll apply it on our cheekbones and take it till here so that it gives a elongated look to our face. Although it's quite thick, you need to dab it very quickly and थोड़ा सा मेहनत लगेगा to dab it, but then it's really good. And as I cannot use it as a baby lip, so I'm using it as a blush. This looks थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अभी, but eventually it will get absorbed in your skin. See right now, here it looked like this and here. See, so within 2 minutes it will get absorbed into your skin and it will look very, very natural. So now we'll go ahead with a highlighter. Highlighter is again by Maybelline. It's the Master Strobing Cream. Now I have realized how many Maybelline products I have been using, but they have been doing a really good job with making good and affordable products, so that's nice. So I'll apply it a little bit. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going ahead with this pencil cream shadow. You can go ahead with a very basic shade and just apply all over your lid and you're good to go. So this is how the eye looks. You can do any sort of eye look. I have just applied one shade and I'm good to go. Now I'll go ahead and curl my lashes. You can completely skip this step because I know many people are scared to do this. I don't know why, but I personally don't find it scary at all. I don't know why people find this scary, but it's fine. Now I'll go ahead and apply mascara. I'm applying this Bad Girl Bang mascara first. This mascara is so pretty. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference on my lashes? Then I go ahead with this Too Faced mascara. I have both the mini versions. This one gives you an intense volume, so both of these together. Oh my god. Can you see? Like, this just has the length, and length with volume looks. So as my eye look is done, now I'll go ahead and blush my eyebrows. Fun fact, I have never got my eyebrows done. I have never shaved it. Touch wood, they are in a shape for now, but just to bring it all together and all these chotu things together, I'm just brushing it. By the way, yes, chot lagi hui hai. I'll apply bandage, but I was not able to find it and we were getting late, so that's why I'm doing it all from my one hand. So as it's winters, it's important to moisturize your lips. So I am again applying Maybelline's Baby Lips, but this one is transparent one. Because the lipstick I love is a little bit drying, so just not to get that complete matte look, I usually prefer applying some sort of moisturizer to my lip. I think this is also looking nice, but I'll go ahead with the lipstick. So first I'll apply Miss Claire lip pencil. So now that I have lined my lip, I'll go ahead with the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. So our absolutely no makeup look is done. It's completed. This looks so natural and there is hardly any product. This feels so light and just really fresh. So now I'll finally complete my look by wearing earrings. I was planning to curl my hair slightly, but then इतना ready क्यों होना है, and also बिना फालतू की heat क्यों देनी है, so I am just cancelling that plan. कभी कभी मन होता है यार. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys found something helpful and you took something from this video. So if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.